Oh, record on. Don't record. No, I don't want you recording this already.
Look, tell me you don't think some kind of beginner fucking did this.
I didn't do that. I didn't do that work.
Use a platter.
Bro, the platter is the same shit.
No, it's not.
The platter.
No, the platter,
With the platter.
the platter is the best thing for like
For the quarter.
Okay, then let's do that. All right, hook that motherfucker up. Jordy, what's up? Look, all right, put the motherfucker in there. You got sponsored by Chelsea. Oh, it's fine.
Energize your day.
I thought it was fun, dude.
What's going on, guys? Garrett coming at you live again from a busy day here at Urable Detailing. Today we have this 2018 Ford F-150 in for a full paint correction and 2-year coat. I just got the exterior done, so I'm gonna get the now I'm just gonna prep it and then I'm gonna go ahead and start the coating line. That good stuff, baby, right here. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the process on applying coating. So as you can see, we have an applicator pad. Do about a couple drops, and then on the car, you don't want to do full panels at the time. You want to go section by section to make sure the coating is applied thoroughly. So we'll go ahead and put it on this section right here. We'll probably end up breaking the door up into 3 sections. One half, the second half, and then the bottom half. Once you apply it, you are going to have to wait 30 seconds to a minute. It just depends on when the coating is ready. How you know the coating is ready is either it'll have like this rainbow little flash to it, and that's how you know the coating is bonded with the paint, or there's another term for it, it's called sweating. And I'll show you that in a second once this coating gets applied. As you can tell in that video, it might have been hard to tell. That coating was sweating. That's our sign that it is time to take it off.
How do you know Johnny?
So I know Johnny and George from back in their old shop. I used to work next door at Honest One Auto Care. Literally it happened out of nowhere. We were just talking about cars and whatnot, and we just clicked. I love their hustle. I love the way they work. I take my cars to them. I have never had a problem. If anything, they're the best work here in Portland all around. Been knowing them now for a good 4 or 5 years. I was here for the grand opening in this shop. I've literally seen them from like when they used to work back in behind their cars and what they've grown now to Epic Auto. They're pretty cool folks. If you ever get to meet them, you know, it's definitely a pleasure. Johnny, George are all around good people. Everybody here, Garrett, Tim, Jamie, pretty much everybody here is pretty dope. But that's how I know them.
Yeah, dude, look at all this dust, bro. I love this compound, but god damn. The cleaning you have to do afterwards.
You guys clean everything.
Huh?
Huh?
I'll clean you.
Share the podcast. Free promo.
Ta-da! Easy. Oh my gosh.
No, how you open it? Good. Right, Nick. Open it.
There's no door handle.
Yeah, there's no door handle, Johnny. We did it. We noticed.
Oh my god, damn!
We fucking noticed there's no fucking door handle.
We got the PT Cruiser in. Custom. Oh, custom, bro. Look how fast it is.
So fast. The handle came off.
Look, there's no handle. Yeah, there's no handles.
Weight reduction.
There's no, like, literally, there's no handles that we realized. So, yeah, we're doing an all-around tint on this bad boy. All right, 1 hour here, you're done.
No.
Drop the soap.
Don't drop the soap. What are you trying to do to me? Ask him. Ask him. What is he trying to do to me? Drop the soap. God damn that guy. Makes me mad. Makes me mad.
So we're gonna briefly talk about how we do our process of scheduling appointments. So what we do is pretty much they'll ask for an appointment, how much it is, when we can do it, and then from there we set them up through our Urable, which is pretty much our scheduling and customer database. So this has every single customer that's been here for the past few years. Pretty much what we do is get their full name, email, phone number, and then year, make, and model of the car, so we know what kind of car it is. After we get the information, we input them in our software here, and then it sends them a confirmation text, and then it also sends them a reminder text the day before, and then we also call them as well to let them know the car's done. And then the next day, it sends them a follow-up text, leave us a review. That helps out a lot. We have about 500 plus reviews now on Google. And then in order to get them in the door so they don't forget the appointment, is we do a deposit. So any detailing and window tint is like $50 deposit. We send them a payment via email, they'll pay it. That way, ensures that they'll show up. It is non-refundable unless they hit us up like 2 days or a day before to let us know. Or if it's PPF or coating, it's 30% or whatever total is. That's a lot more money. If you have a shop or even a mobile detail company, just do some kind of deposit. It makes people show up. But yeah, that's our process to get our clients in the door.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to today's episode. Give us a like, share, follow, and subscribe. All of the above would be great. Go follow our Instagram and Facebook as well. And then have a great day.